Hey guys, this is Shamika from Live, Love, Life, and Travel. So I put 3 videos out now about my whole Laos trip and Laos experience, and the first 3 videos are basically about the 3-day, 2 nights that it took to get from Chiang Mai to Laos. And this is the first day of the slow boat portion of that trip. So let me tell you, if you haven't been to Laos or you haven't actually done the slow boat portion of it, like, you have to do it. It was absolutely amazing and one of my favorite parts of my whole Laos experience. The whole slow boat experience was sort of this yin and yang. Like, the first portion of it was this very relaxed, chilled out. Everyone was just like reading a book and taking in the whole scenery of it all and taking in the breeze and just really appreciating like the moment. And then the other half of the trip was when everyone decided it was beer chugging time. We pulled out the deck of cards and started playing drinking games and just great conversations and chilled out vibes, and just it was really fun, and I very much thoroughly enjoyed it. So I'm gonna shut up now and I'm gonna let you sort of just enjoy the scenery, take it all in, and I'll interrupt like midway with some more narration. Okay, I'm back. So when I was researching like reviews about the slow boat experience, one of the tips that I came across was get there early, because if you don't get there early, you'll end up sitting in the back, and the back is really loud, and I'll let you hear that in a second. And also, people complain about the fumes. When I sat in the back, there were no fumes, but it was really loud. And by the time me and my group got to the boat, like, the front of it was so packed that the actual aisle to walk through was so narrow that I had to like lift up my heavy ass rolly suitcase like above people's heads to get it through. Like, side note, do not bring your heavy ass rolly suitcase. It's just not gonna work. But honestly, I really didn't mind the noise. I really didn't. Like, I sometimes feel that roughing it is sort of a part of the whole backpacking traveling experience, because sometimes we're just too used to comfort and you have to like get out of your comfort zone to really enjoy it. And plus, in my opinion, all the coolest people sat in the back. Like, it actually, like, the population grew in the back. Like, it was just like a handful of us, really, and then like everyone from the front of the boat realized how much fun we were having in the back, and people started like migrating to the back to like join the fun. So yeah, so like I said, sort of in the second half of that day, we started drinking and playing card games and drinking games and great conversations and filling out each other and tightening our like travel camaraderie bond. That makes any sense. It was really fun. A lot of laughs, a lot of jokes, just being free, but still, like, you're still surrounded by all this beauty. Like, you can barely hear each other, but it was awesome. But let me also say this. The second day when we got on the boat, we actually did get there pretty early. And this time we sat in the front. And I did go to the back to see what it looked like, and it was a completely different layout. Like, there's really no space for me to sit. Like, where the engine was before was like different location. It was like in the middle of the floor, and it was like a narrow space around the engine where you can sit, and it was only like a couple of back there. So it was a completely different setup. No one can really sit back there, so you never really know what boat you're gonna get on. You might get a newer boat, you might get an older boat, so you may want to not risk it and actually get there early. The first day we went with our group, and so we just listened to our guide. You might want to go ahead and just go ahead of your group and get to the boat, because when we listened to our guide, we ended up getting there like way later. And then the second day, we all just individually and independently went to the boat, and we got there way earlier. And so the second day was a lot more relaxed and less more like debauchery, but still immensely enjoyable, and I'll do another video of that later. So until then, I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video from Live, Life, Love, and Travel.